After trying on no less than 20 ill-fitting swimsuits in a hot, stinky, humid department store dressing room, I knew it was time for me to sew my own swimsuits. Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to Workroom Social TV. If you're interested in videos on fashion sewing and the wonderful world of sewists, subscribe by clicking the button below. Today, I'm here to introduce you to one-piece swimsuit patterns made by independent sewing pattern designers. Now, if you've never thought about making your own swimsuit at home, I hope watching this video will help you consider it. Okay, and now on to the patterns. My personal favorite one-piece swimsuit and the sewing pattern that we use in our How to Sew Swimwear Intensive at Workroom Social is the Maison Fleur 8101. The 8101 comes with two different one-piece variations, high back and low back options. It features bust gathers and ruching hip ties, and though it comes with instructions for a halter neck, you can sew up the straps in lots of different variations. Showing off her tropical floral version of the Maison Fleur 8101 is Meg from Cookin' & Craftin'. Meg made the high back version and sewed her straps down in the back. What does Meg think about her 8101? She says, quote, "I feel comfortable in it, which is the main thing. Comfortable enough to take photos and post them on the internet." Have you seen the Sea Bright Swimmer from Friday Pattern Company? This swimsuit features a plunging neckline and comes with a full sleeve view. The pattern also includes instructions for adding a lace-up neckline if you'd like a more modest front. Cathy managed to avoid wearing swimsuits for years. But now that she has made the Sea Bright Swimmers for herself, she won't be sitting poolside any longer. Now that she has a swimsuit that fits her and that she feels confident in, she's not going to miss out on any more swimming with her kids. For sewists who want the security of a one-piece, but the fashion elements of a two-piece, the Pilates swimsuit by Opion might be the right pattern for you. This swimsuit has a bow tie front, a high waist, and my favorite, a high cut leg. I love Sue's version of this swimsuit. She customized her project by mixing a printed fabric with a solid fabric, and I think the effect is great. The Ipswich swimsuit by Cashmere Patterns is a great option for you if you're looking for a very supportive top. Both the one and two-piece versions feature supportive straps and an optional underwired foam swim bra and boning, so that you're comfortable both lounging by the pool or playing volleyball on your favorite beach. With lots of opportunity for color blocking or print mixing, this swimsuit celebrates both your body and your creativity. I love the version of this swimsuit that Emily made for her getaway adventure wedding. She chose to highlight the waistband by mixing a tropical printed fabric with a solid blue. And what about Julia? Julia also did a bit of color blocking on her version of this swimsuit. I can't get enough of the peacock print she used. Julia further customized her swimsuit by using a bra cut pattern that she liked, and I think the result is incredible. A long-time indie sewing pattern company that specializes in all things spandex, Jaylee's 3350 one-piece swimsuit is a classic style with a sweetheart neckline and over-the-shoulder straps. 3350 comes with two views, giving you choices for both the front and the back of the swimsuit. Meet Anna in her 3350. When I asked Anna if I could share her handmade swimsuit, she wrote back, "Jaylee's 3350 is a great pattern. Sewing a swimsuit is not something I ever thought I could manage, so I'm happy to spread the word to all the wonderful sewers out there." I love her encouragement. Now, if you are looking for a blank canvas of a swimsuit to show off some really cool printed spandex that you've got, check out Megan Nielsen's Koslow swimsuit. The Koslow one piece comes with both a high and low back variation and features a shelf bra. Instructions are included for fully lining your swimsuit. Here's Nancy enjoying her version of this swimsuit at the day spa. I love the 80s vibe of her swimsuit, and I love that she says she will never not make her own swimsuit ever again. And meet Erica in her tropical dinosaur swimsuit. At first, Erica wasn't sure if she wanted to share photos of her handmade swimsuit with the world, but feeling so proud of what she made, she felt compelled to post. And finding that kind of confidence, I think, is the magic of sewing. Last up on my indie sewing pattern roundup is the Taking the Plunge swimsuit by Patterns for Pirates. Designed with a retro vibe, this pattern comes with tons of options to help you sew the bathing suit of your dreams. Meet Mac. She sewed this swimsuit up thinking that it was going to be a muslin for a future version that she would make. But in the end, her handmade suit suited her just right. Mac looks so happy in her Taking the Plunge swimsuit, maybe because she just got out of the pool having already taken the plunge with her kiddos. There you have it, 7 one-piece sewing patterns designed by indie pattern companies, all shown in versions made by sewists just like you. Now, if you never want to set foot in a dimly lit dressing room again with a stack of swimsuits that you are just dreading trying on, head on over to workroomsocial.com to learn more about our How to Sew Swimwear intensive class. At Workroom Social, we teach adults how to sew clothes that fit both their individual styles and their unique body shapes and sizes. Our studio classes are like taking a 2-day sewing vacation, and we've taught wonderful students who have visited us from all over the world. We can't wait to work with you in the studio sometime soon. Is there a one-piece swimsuit pattern you're dying to try? Or do you have a favorite swimsuit pattern that you just keep making over and over again? Tell us about your favorite swimsuit patterns in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a thumbs up by clicking the button below, and don't forget to subscribe to Workroom Social TV for more videos on fashion sewing. Next week, I'm talking 2-piece swimwear, and you will not want to miss my pattern picks. Until next time, I will see you later. Bye-bye. You liked my puns in the end there, right? That suit suited her. I know how to do a good pun.